Welcome to Flavors for Life Culinary Movement.
Flavors for Life is a nonprofit organization dedicated to promote healthy cooking and eating to build healthier generations. We work with current and future chefs and their patrons to empower the culinary world to change America's culinary culture and beat the obesity epidemic.
Our mission is to promote healthy cooking and eating habits to build healthier generations to come. Our vision is to empower the culinary world to change America's culinary culture and beat the obesity epidemic.
Our goals are short-term goal to gain knowledge about healthy cooking, mid-term goal to empower communities on making healthier choices when eating out, long-term goal to create a healthy culinary culture.
Our programs and events are the Next Gen Culinary Program, the Gastronomic Affair Culinary Event,
Flavors for Life Next Gen is an educational culinary program that focuses on students currently enrolled in culinary classes. Our Flavors for Life Next Gen culinary program focuses in two major behavioral changes: decrease the use of ingredients high in sodium, fats, and sugar, increase the use of ingredients high in nutrients and fiber. Flavors for Life Gastronomic Affair is an annual culinary fundraising event to educate the community on how to make healthier choices when eating out. Local chefs are invited to participate by submitting a recipe. This recipe is analyzed and approved by our Flavors for Life nutritionist and can be sampled the day of the event to about 500 participants.
For more information about Flavors for Life Culinary Movement, please visit flavorsforlife.org.